Hi and welcome to FlexBetManager. In this video, I'm going to show you FlexBetManager Windows client and demonstrate how it places real bets at Betfair. Let's start with downloading and installing FlexBetManager Windows client. From this page, Windows client, we can see that there is a link, clicking on which we can download FlexBetManager Windows client installer and we can install from this MSI installer. I'm not going to install it since I already have it installed on my machine, so for me I'm going to just skip it. But you can go ahead and install on your computer. I'll just run it directly from my computer. So this is the first window. This is how it looks like for the first time when you run it. We need to input our FlexBetManager credentials, which is our email and our FlexBetManager password. And it's logged in. And straight the next thing is FlexBetManager asking for Betfair credentials. This is since this program is mainly designed for Betfair bets. So just FYI, FlexBetManager doesn't store any of your credentials. It just uses those credentials to authenticate you against Betfair API. And no information is being stored at FlexBetManager or at your personal computer. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put my Betfair real credentials. Now it's making a call to. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put my Betfair real credentials. And it's gonna make a call to Betfair API to authenticate. And there you go. We can see that we are successfully signed up to our Betfair account. It displays your Betfair account current balance. It shows client time. It shows Betfair logged in duration. It shows Betfair logged in duration. And in this window, we can see Betfair log. So far, we just logged into the Betfair. That's why there's only a single log. But every time it places a bet or it tries to place a bet with errors or without errors, it always logs here, and we can see all the information that is happening with the Betfair API. In this program, we can also see our messages. This is the same messages as we get for. Those are the same messages as we see on the website. Those are the same messages as we see in FlexBetManager. Those are the same notifications as we get in FlexBetManager website. We are also able to see our latest bets, just like in the website, for each of the for each of the betting strategies. All right, so let's go ahead and see how Betfair. Let's go ahead and see how FlexBetManager Windows client places bets based on your betting strategies. I'm gonna switch to one of my betting strategies, and I'm gonna make it to pass all the conditions, so we can see that the bet is really being placed at Betfair. From strategy matches, I want to go to this betting strategy. Right now to this betting strategy. Right now it's processing multiple matches. All of them are rejected at this point, but I'm gonna skip some of the conditions so we can see real bet being placed as Betfair. So those three conditions are one is rejected, two are waiting, so I'm gonna skip all of them, and once skipped it shows as passed. And now it's time for FlexBetManager to place a real bet. Now the FlexBetManager Windows client is now getting information about this bet, and we can see that the bet is placed, and it says it gives information about the match and also the market type and how much was actually placed and what are the average odds for this bet, and also it also shows Betfair real bet ID. And from the FlexBetManager we can also see that bet is placed, and we can, clicking this link, we can see real bet information. And let's give some time and see if this bet is winning or losing. And we can also see that the Betfair balance we can also see that Betfair balance got updated, and it always contains the latest balance of your account. It always contains current balance of your account. Alright, we can see a goal is scored in this match, so it's 2-0 right now, which means our bet which we just placed won, and we're gonna see how it's being, the status of the bet is being changed. So let's reload a couple of times, and now we can see it says bet won with the bet information, with the Betfair ID. And if we go back to our FlexBetManager Windows client, we can see that our account balance is updated. It now contains also the winning amount. One more thing, since FlexBetManager Windows client is up and running, it shows as green on the website. So this way you can see if the program is on or off, and it also shows the last activity time, the time when it just made requests to the FlexBetManager system. Alright, that's it for now. I showed you how to use FlexBetManager Windows client and how easy it is to place an automatic bet based on FlexBetManager betting strategies. Thanks for watching this video. Join FlexBetManager, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to get notified for any new videos.